Hey guys, welcome to Henry channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the screen lock on Vivo Y90. So here you can see the phone I have right now is locked by a screen lock, and it's Vivo Y90, which is also called Vivo 1823. And let me just show you. So here you can see the phone is locked by a screen lock. So first of all you have to turn off the phone, and then you need to download the following tool, which is MTK Client Tool 5.2. It's a free tool. You can download it from the link in description, or you can also download it from the Google by searching on it for the tool, and you're gonna get the website of this tool and you can easily download it. So all you have to do is run the tool and find the model, which is Vivo Y90, and select what functions you want to use, and then click on start and connect your phone by holding both of the volume keys, and there you can see it's connected now. When you see the format OK on your tool, you just need to force restart your phone. Now let it be started, and I'm going to show you the screen lock will be removed.